Welcome back, everybody. It's Jerry again here with the Happy Hootie to talk to you today about Century Lanes. This is a bowling alley that is located in Nixa, Missouri at 855 West Tracker Road. Tracker Road is located just to the north of Nixa, in between Springfield and Nixa. It's about 10 minutes to the south of Springfield. This little bowling alley is fairly small, and they've done a great job over the last several years of trying to improve upon this little small bowling alley to make it a really good, fun, and family-friendly area. Let's show you a quick look inside. They've taken the time to update a lot of the technology that's in here, and it is a smoke-free area, so that part was really nice, and the fact that they've got everything smoke-free, it doesn't smell like smoke in there, which is great. I know a lot of bowling alleys have been associated with smoking, and they've been trying to go smoke-free with a lot of these over the last decade. They've got a good selection of equipment, and they have a good clean area. Everything was clean inside there. They've updated the lighting inside. A lot of the actual operating equipment for the machines seem to be working and functioning properly. They've got bumpers for the kids, so if you've got small kids, obviously take advantage of the bumpers, and they also have the ramps that can help the real small kids get a good shot and good fun in there. The technology that they've installed allows you to take pictures of yourself. It allows you to set different themes on the bowling alley screen up above so that you can see the cool frames and things like that as you're playing. A lot of the games that were in here, some of them were more outdated, but I'll be honest, everything was clean and everything worked, which is really surprising for like a bowling alley or a skating rink, because a lot of the bowling areas that we've been to have like a lot of the games are run down and broken. One of the things that they've spent some time on the last couple of years upgrading is this Lucky Strike grill. It actually is a nice bar-end grill where you can get food and everything off to the side. We did not eat there, but it did seem like it was very clean again, and it had a lot of different options that were there, and so I think if you were looking for a good night out, you've got a good chance to find everything you need right there. Again, this is Century Lanes located in Nixa, Missouri. It was a wonderful experience for our family. We will be going back. It was good and close, and I hope that you all found this little informative video helpful. If you did, please feel free to like and subscribe, and we'll bring you more great local content. Thanks for watching.